This is a tutorial video on JCapture. In order to set up your JCapture, there is some setup that you'll need to do beforehand. You'll need to go to Utilities, Company Setup, go to your companies, and make sure that the website address is in your company setup for all companies. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your JLinks, and you're going to make sure that all your JLinks are working, that you have your username and password, your website address, and that they've all been tested and that they work correctly. Once you're at your customer's client main screen, you'll choose the policy that you want to use JCapture for. You're going to go up here to JCapture and click on that. And as you can see, unlike JLinks, it does not log you in and take you straight to the policy. However, your agency code, username, and password has been copied over from the JLinks so that it's easily accessible to you. Once you enter in the username and password and log in, you can go to the screen that you want to JCapture. You'll click Save Page to Images. You'll give it a category. And in this case, mine is screenshot of web page. You can make that say whatever category you'd like. Give it a description, as in this might be the billing screen, and save to images. Once you save the page to your images, you can close the screen and go into your policy images and see that the screenshot or the JCapture is there. You can double click to view it, and there is your JCapture. We know that you're going to love this feature, and if you have any questions, you can call us at 828-245-1171.